Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. Roomba robot vacuums are popular and well reviewed, but which is best for your cleaning needs? Let's go ahead and find out now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to keep up with the latest product reviews every week. Roomba offers a wide range of robot vacuums, from simple, basic models to advanced high-tech robots. We'll go in depth on the best options for the various levels of complexity and price. Before we get into our top picks, let's take a moment to compare the cleaning scores of the various Roomba models. At Modern Castle, we test each robot vacuum on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. Cleaning scores are shown as percentages of the total debris cleaned by the vacuum.
The best scoring robots are iRobot's flagship series, the S9 Plus, i7 Plus, i3 Plus, and E5. The S9 Plus scored a 99% on our cleaning tests. The Roomba i7 Plus also scored a 99%, as did the Roomba i3 Plus and E5.
Roomba 675 and Roomba 980 both scored 95% on the cleaning tests. Other Roomba models like the 960 and 890 scored slightly lower at a 92%, but Roomba's track record overall is fantastic, with all current models scoring 92% or higher. We're going to jump into our recommendations with the best overall Roomba. Unsurprisingly, our pick is the Roomba S9 Plus. The S9 Plus has a number of highly advanced features that make it arguably the best robot vacuum ever built. It features a square front edge, which offers improved performance in corners and edges. The full width brush roll increases the cleaning area covered. In our Modern Castle cleaning tests, the S9 Plus scored an impressive 99%. Perhaps the most useful feature of the S9 Plus is the self-emptying dustbin, which allows the robot to drive itself back to the base to empty debris without the user needing to touch it. On top of that, the S9 Plus has excellent navigation with zone cleaning, keep out zones, and digital maps, all of which can be monitored and edited through the iRobot app. The S9 Plus is expensive, but it's also easily the best Roomba you can buy. When it comes to value, our pick is the Roomba E5. The Roomba E5 is a much lower price, but still performs just as well on the cleaning tests. It's missing some of the convenience features of the i7 Plus and S9 Plus, including digital mapping and self-emptying dustbin. The E5 does not have an onboard camera, so the navigation is simpler than other models, but it still does a good job of navigating the room. Because of these less advanced aspects, the E5's price is much lower. But with a cleaning performance score of 99%, it is virtually equal to the i7 Plus and S9 Plus in its cleaning ability. So for that reason, you'll get a lot of value out of the Roomba E5. Check the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of the products we're featuring today.
For the best value Roomba with a self-emptying dustbin, check out the Roomba i3 Plus. The i3 Plus scored a 99% on our cleaning test, just like the S9 Plus, i7 Plus, and E5. The self-emptying feature makes the i3 Plus more expensive than the E5, but it costs less than the S9 Plus and i7 Plus. The lower price means exceptional cleaning, and the convenience of the self-emptying dustbin can be available at a lower budget.
If you're looking for a great robot vacuum at an affordable price, you should consider the Roomba 675. It has fewer bells and whistles, however, it performed great in our cleaning test and is well suited to smaller homes and less complex layouts. It scored 95% in our cleaning tests, struggling only with fine debris on high carpet. With a significantly lower price, the 675 still cleans effectively. It also has simpler navigation with the bump and continue approach. Nevertheless, the 675 will cover the whole room effectively. The 675 is able to connect to the iRobot app for more convenience. Add a 90-minute runtime, and the Roomba 675 is a great product at an affordable price. The higher-end Roomba vacuums add many features that add additional convenience, but at a higher cost. Our pick for the most convenient Roomba is the i7 Plus. The highlight of the i7 Plus is the self-emptying dustbin. Like the S9 Plus, the i7 Plus will return to the base automatically to empty its debris. The base can hold up to 30 debris loads, meaning it will likely be several weeks, if not months, before you need to empty it. In addition, the i7 Plus has the recharge and resume feature. This allows it to return to the base to recharge when the battery is low, then automatically return to the spot where it left off to finish cleaning. The i7 also includes Imprint Smart Mapping, in which users can create named zones of the home as well as keep out zones. These features let the i7 Plus learn the home and navigate more efficiently. Combine all that with the Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, and the Roomba i7 Plus is an amazingly convenient robot vacuum. If you want more information on any of the models that we're featuring today, visit us at moderncastle.com or just go to our YouTube channel page. We have deep dive reviews on all the models we're featuring today. Our pick for the best Roomba for large floor plans is the Roomba 980. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, scheduled cleanings, advanced filtration, and a dual rubberized brush roll. The 980's cleaning performance was quite solid, scoring a 95% in our cleaning tests. The 980 is equipped with solid navigational features, including an onboard camera with the ability to digitally map your home, recharge and resume, and a runtime of up to 2 hours. These combined features help make it a good choice for cleaning larger homes. That wraps it up for this video. Let us know in the comments if you have any of these Roomba and what you think of them. Check the links in the description if you're interested in buying any of the products we featured today. For more from Modern Castle, subscribe to our channel and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.